Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing. Today we want to take a look at shot blasting, also known as shot peening, and how it can completely transform your surface finishing process. Shot blasting is a high impact process using round media, such as steel shot or even ceramic bead. This allows you to strengthen the surface as well as prep for coatings or bonding material. So a really good reason to shot blast is when you are wanting to reduce the surface fatigue, also reduce stress in the surface. The process is ideal for aerospace, automotive, and anywhere that a precision and durability process is necessary for your parts. If you have any questions regarding shot blasting or any other medias that we can assist you with, give us a call at 828-202-5563. You can also reach out to us to do some free sample testing. Again, our number is 828-202-5563, and follow us on social media. Thank you so much.